What if AI didn't just process data but grew, adapted, and evolved like life itself? That's the radical vision behind Gibran, a new AI startup that raises $2.6 million from Together Fund led by Girish Mahapuratham and Manav Garg, founded by scientists and ex-Curio of his founders. Gibran is building scale-free adaptive AI systems inspired by evolutionary biology and self-organizing principles from nature. Their goal, not to replace humans, but to co-evolve with us. From discovery to personalized education, Gibran AI won't just learn from data, but from you. And one founder put it, this isn't about automation, it's about augmentation for human creativity, curiosity, and flourishing.